So we're going to be taking this off so I can drill this out, clean it up, mount the panel, 2 screws up here, and then we pop the whole dash off and we'll take it in the shop and work on it. So we're going to be mounting a universal system in here, the Universal FX on a swivel mount, where I used to have another controller. I'm going to try and mount this one, mount it like that if I need, or stretch it out and up, move all over the place. Pull our tray out, in the corner, got that. Another one. Work your way around to there. Don't go crazy. Start disconnecting all the pieces on the back. Our panel's free. Got our dashboard here. This is where we're going to be mounting our panel on our swivel mount, so we can move it any which way. Mount it here, up here, down here, anywhere I want. Our dashboard cleaned up and ready to go. Base pad for the panel, Sharpie. Okay, and then anywhere in these slots is good enough to give us some play, so we can mount our base pad. Okay, we are ready to drill our holes for the foot pad of the switch housing. Here's a panel mounted on, and its lowest point down there. And you can do all this twisty-turny or pull it out somewhere around there, and then tighten down this screw back here to lock it in place with a wrench. Got our empty STEC box here. That's a little easier to show what we're trying to do. Here's our mounting tabs. We're going to mount it back here on the firewall, up in there. Gives us plenty of access to the grommet that passes through the firewall, like a little slot in that. Wires pass through. Batteries here, fuse boxes here, so we can connect our fuse tab, and then we'll connect the panel on the dashboard. Okay, start right there. Everything back into place. Putting this back in, kind of rock it in place, and then our 2 screws. Here's our sticker sheet. Gonna pick what ones match my accessories and put them in these little channels on each of the switches. This is a master power, so obviously that'll be a power button. Got the panel mounted to our dash and wired behind to everything that's going under the hood. Now this one is hardwired, so instead of using the fuse tab, it's directly off the breaker. So I can turn everything on whenever I want, even if the vehicle's off. Turn it all back off.